Yeah, I'm fried. Yeah, I'm fried. Yeah, I'm fried. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fried. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fried. Yeah, I'm fried. I just blew a check in the strip club on a Wednesday. She ain't going in. I'ma ask her.
Cancun 2024.
I'm fried, yes, fried. The fat little shorty shit fat. The fat little shorty shit fat. The fat little shorty shit fat. The fat little shorty.
Hey YouTube, it's Nika Man. She's back with another video.
It's your boy Official Yacht. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and City Commands page, and follow me too.
Heard that. Okay, so we just got I'm finna get some naps in on this flight. Finna put my piece on, you know, listen to some music. So, next stop. Hey, I'm here in my room. There we go. Ooh. See the beach right outside the balcony? So I think the vibe is shower, get dressed, hit the resort. Go keep y'all updated. Hey. First shot of the trip. That shot was good. I don't have no food in my stomach, so I'm gonna be feeling that in like 0.45 seconds. Thank you. Cheers. Met some cool people at the bar. Took a shot with it. You know the vibes. Good vibes so far. Very, very beautiful resort. Good morning vlog. Today's Friday. It's 6:39 here, but at home it's 7:39, so it's early, but it's really not that early. Just finished our workout. Came to the buffet to get some breakfast. So, yep.
Some good protein.
Oh, I tried this orange fruit. What is it called? Papaya? Never again. Not gonna lie. It tasted like spoiled milk. I will never drink that again. I'm so serious. Eat. I will never eat that again. Seriously. Went ahead and got booked for an excursion. We're gonna be going to explore later. Right now we're just sitting by the bar and by the pool, sipping before we leave in a couple hours. So we're going to explore. It's just like a little like park. They're calling the excursion Explore Luego. We just arrived at Explore.
Where the water shoes?
We're about to walk into the park. I'm probably not gonna be able to record the whole entire process because I'm gonna have to put this up, but use my phone. So we don't got no little bag for our phone, right? And they sell them. So we're like, okay, we could buy one. Some things are, they said, I forgot what the first price was, but they're like, oh, but if you want two, you can get them for $27 a piece, $54 for literally the plastic bag that hangs around your neck. Yeah, taxing, absolutely taxing. Okay, we got to our locker. After a super long walk, we're now changing into our water shoes, and we're gonna go explore. Hey YouTube, welcome to day 3 of Cancun. Right now we headed to breakfast. This is the fit of the day, matching with Bay details. Yesterday was quite exhausting. I couldn't really vlog the whole explore excursion. It was a workout. Like, it was cool, but I don't know. The nature, walking through water with bats and caves, that just wasn't us. Currently outside in the lobby, we are waiting for our Uber, and then we're gonna hit a little excursion over there on that side of Cancun. About to change, hit the infinity pool, get some drinks before we hit the speedboats. Yeah, and just vibe. So I will take y'all there. 3, 2, 1.
So listen, y'all. I say we should have taken an Uber, but obviously my missus here, Tom, we should have taken a bus. Say something. She told me. Listen. Talk to the camera.
We just got off of a Mexican public bus.
Who idea was to take the bus?
My idea, because it was $1. And we gotta go over to Aquacore. It was cool. It wasn't too bad taking the bus. But now we gotta cross a Mexican street. So we made it off the Hispanic Transportation Publico. We got here on time, luckily, and we had to pay $2. But we finna get on these boats and explore the lagoon. My man driving the boat. Am I scared? No. He's a great pilot.
A pilot or boat driver? Or captain?
Sailor! Captain.
Sailor.
Sailor. Captain? Sailor.
Sailor.
Same thing. We gonna catch you on the speedboat. He holding it down.
Let's see what's going on. Let me see the vibes, man. See what's going on. He's on the jet ski. Just don't turn around. Can't turn around.
We are back outside today. GoPro is ready to go for a full day. Oh, I'm scared. Hold on. Let me get on the boat. Just, oh, hell no.
We tell you
We in Cancun.
We in Cancun. They got us sitting on the front of the boat right now. They said the snorkeling is 5 minutes away. And they said we're going to be going a total of like 400 meters.
life jackets, and life rings on board. No está permitido fumar o en el servicio. Smoking or the use of illegal substances is not permitted during the entire service. Esta embarcación cuenta desde brincar
And
en
after
ellos o
that, we are
superar su
going to go
capacidad.
to Isla
This boat has trampolines
which
for
is
lying
an
down.
island,
It is
and we're
not
going
allowed
to
to
get to
jump on
explore
them or
the
exceed
town.
their capacity. Las actividades acuáticas están sujetas a condiciones climáticas y corrientes marítimas. También están restringidas para el mar.
Okay, we're about to snorkel, and look how blue the water is.
In the middle of the ocean.
In the middle of the ocean.
Snorkeling, man.
Bruh, if y'all only knew what we just went through to get this video. I love my life. That's all I can say. Hey YouTube. So we off the boat now. We can take some shots.
Arriba, abajo, al centro, para adentro.
That's good. This is good. I'm enjoying it. So we got a golf cart. We just arrived at Punta Sur, which is Isla Mujeres. I guess they're like landmark kind of. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. about to go. We only got 2%.
Hey, this photo 2%, but we gonna be back at it soon, man. Cancun 2024, baby. Say something.
Cancun 2024.